this braid for like 6 weeks now. 6 weeks. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just stopping by for the first time, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. So in today's video, I'll be taking my hair off. This braid, I've had this braid for like 6 weeks now. 6 weeks old braid, and as you can see, I have undergrowth. Look at. And the funny thing is that the hair starts becoming so beautiful when it gets old. I don't know why it's always like that. So guys, let's take this off. I mean, I used to love losing my hair before, but nowadays I'm so lazy to lose my hair. That's why my hair stayed this long. This is the first time I'm having a braid for over 2-3 weeks maximum. So today I just said I'm going to lose it because yesterday I went out and I was kind of drenched in the rain. So before it starts itching me, I have to take this off. So I got this two things. I'll be using them to take it off. I just got them this morning. I didn't have them before, and I'll be using the scissors to cut the hair off to make it easier for me to like loosen. I don't know where my hair ends. I don't know, my hair is not that long. I guess I'm going to cut it from here so it's be easy for me. So oh my god, I'm taking this off. I didn't show you guys the length of my hair. I don't know if you can see it now. This is my hair. This is how long my hair is. Whoa, it's longer than that. So I've taken this one off. So let's keep cutting it to make it easy. Whoa, I hope I'm not. Okay, let's cut it. I keep cutting my hair. Oh my gosh. I feel so bad right now. it will take me to lose this hair. Let's see. I hope I finish it today. I'll leave it till tomorrow. Because this girl doesn't have strength for this. Normally I'll go to the salon to take this off, but today I just want to do it myself. So see how long my hair is. That means I've cut some while cutting this thing. See, haha, God, I'm so happy. You know, guys, I'm beginning transitioning from a relaxed hair to my natural hair since December 2017. And I've not been paying attention to my natural hair, but as you can see, wow, I love this. I mean, one thing that making me scared of losing my hair is the kind of hair I'll make after this. I don't know what kind of hair I'll be making, so I think I'll go back to wearing my wigs. Hey, I can't lose this hair. I'm tired already, very, very tired. I'm already tired. Guys, see another one. I'm so happy. Oh, I have this. Wow. My hair is not cutting, but I'm expecting it to cut ouch, a lot of it, because God, can you see how my hair is? Don't mean it. So guys, I'm going off camera for this because I wonder how long it's gonna take to get all this off, and I can't do it on camera. See you when I lose maybe half or maybe all. I don't know if I'll be able to film again. Okay, see you when I'm done or partially done. So guys, I'm done losing my hair, and this is the amount of hair that's okay. I need to wash it, so man, it's so painful. Natural hair, it's not easy. Guys, I hope you love this video. I hope you like this video. Please, if you don't subscribe to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you like this video. See you in my next video.